Since coming back. Darnell McDonald was 1 for 2 tonight, a double in the fourth as Drew grounds a foul. Drew Crawford and
I don't think you're supposed to be up there.
6-1, Tigers on top of the Indians at the top of the fifth. Drew takes ball 2-2.
What are you gonna do now? Huh? Never had a cat do that before. You're insane. You can't just climb up the curtains. That's cliche. That's
just outside. And bring it back to the play.
You survived. Why is it stopping?
Crawford on deck.
Does it mean it's not gonna stop?